The behavior of Excel in evaluating 3 squared equals negative 3 squared as true can lead to incorrect interpretations in mathematical education. According to the properties of exponentiation, 3 squared equals 9, while negative 3 squared represents minus 9, making the equality false. This discrepancy highlights the importance of understanding operational hierarchy when using computational tools in education. Critical analysis of these results contributes to the improvement of technology use in mathematics education. The integration of Copilot AI in Excel enables advanced calculations, ensuring the accuracy of mathematical results. However, its interpretation may vary in certain contexts, highlighting challenges in the consistency of mathematical rule application in computational tools. Analyzing these cases contributes to improving the use of technology in education and numerical problem solving. The author has developed a VBA function that performs this calculation accurately, enhancing mathematical understanding and strengthening global learning. Notably, the conventional Excel calculation presents a significant inconsistency, highlighting how technology can support education by providing reliable tools for mathematical analysis. This book is an essential reference in Excel VBA, providing fundamental and advanced knowledge for spreadsheet automation and optimization, an indispensable resource for those looking to master Excel programming and transform data into powerful solutions.